Bronco gang, Bronco nation, I'm gonna show you how to put your rear quarter panel windows back on and your rear window back on after you have them removed. So the first thing you'll be doing, just like when you remove the panels, is you want to pop up your soft top Velcro piece, and what you'll be doing is placing back the rear panel. You'll see this piece, this hard piece that goes on the rail and track. You want to line that up with the edge of the track. It's pretty easy, but sometimes you got to tinker around. Once you do that, go ahead and pull and guide that through. Sometimes it gets hung up. Once you do that, go ahead and immediately clip one of the clips, if not all of them. Just keep it in place. Be careful though, you do not want to break one of these clips. This is an important part. So here you'll see you have the foam lining that goes against the edge, and you have this plastic piece right here that goes in right onto this latch, and that's pretty much what locks your rear panel in place, especially once you get the quarter panel in, and that piece here that really locks it in. So what you want to do is be real careful, make sure it's lined up, and just lightly press. You'll feel a little click. Here's the top, so you get a click and a click. Do not jam it in, do not push it in sideways, do not pull it sideways. You may break that little plastic piece. Now we'll go on this side. It's the same thing. So there's a little plastic piece in the latch. You're going to be lining it up right here in the back. So give it some space, lightly push in, then you get the top. So then you both clicked in. Now what you'll do is take one of your quarter panels, go to the edge, and you're going to do the same thing. Couple of pointers. When you place this into the track, you need to feed it through this part here, which is for this part here. And this is pretty much when this bends, this is the point of where the top, when you lift it from the end, bends. That's why that's there. So there's the first. Then we feed it into the actual groove. Pull it in lightly. And this is what I'm talking about here. So we noticed I pulled it too far and it's not latched in. So I'm going to pull it back, make sure it's latched in, and now I'm good. You want to make sure this part is in, so it's latched in. Plastic is clicked, and then what we're going to do is put the clips in. 1 clip, 2 clip, 3 clip. Now, I'm not going to do this part just yet. Some people are able to do this. I've done it successfully a handful of times, but what you would do is kind of start at the bottom, flip it, so you see how it's starting to go in. But once you get to the top, it's real hard and you just risk at possibly breaking something. So I found a little hack, but I want to get both sides in before I show you the little hack. So same thing on this side, we're running this through the track, and then once we get to this part, we want to make sure this part goes into this second track here that's separate. Make sure you're doing this and being careful not to scratch the paint of your car. There we go. It's lining up in there for the feeder. Now I'm going to bring it back and get this plastic piece in. Again, this right here feeds into this crevice right here. You're going to get all 3 clips clipped. Now, this is the hack. Open up your tailgate. What you're going to do here is you're going to lift the back and mount it up on the bar. You'll notice the plastic piece came off. Not a big deal. Make sure it's just in place. Pop it back in. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece here and you're going to pop it into place. So you see how it's grooved in? Let's go to this one and do the same thing. Same thing here. Take this piece, pop it in, let's bring the back down slowly. Good. Oh, this side's not good. So you see here, this side is good, but this side popped out on me. So I'm gonna put this back up, back into place. So now you look around, you will see that this quarter panel is attached to the rear panel, and the quarter panel is locked in on the plastic piece. Do a check on this side, rear quarter panel attached to the rear panel, and the plastic piece is locked in. So go ahead, put this down. Now you have your soft top, rear quarter panel window, and your rear window back on. So if you're looking to get these off, check out this video. My name's AJ. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please do so now. Hit the bell notification. We'll be bringing a lot of POVs, not only in the Bronco world, but throughout the automobile world too. It's all about car culture. Until next time, we out.